itong si Raportor. You know what? I was investigated by the Ombudsman together with the police when I was mayor. They had no findings, but they find 1 month's salary yung mga lahat, 27 of them. All those years na mayor ako, lahat na dumaan sa Davao Chief of Police were fined. Kasi wala silang makuha except neglect of duty. Then the rapporteur, Philip Alston, of the United Nations Commission on Human Rights, went to Davao. We had a long talk. Tapos nalecturean ko rin siya na, you do not just come here to investigate. Of course, I have every reason also to talk back at you. Tapos wala. Din dilemma, human rights siya. Inulit na naman niya. Wala. Secretary of Justice siya. Wala. Ngayon, ipa-imbestiga ako ng rapporteur. Umalis kayo, sipain kita, putang ina mo. Kung gano'n yan, binababoy mo ako eh. I mean, they should realize that they have been at it for so long a time. Why bug me with so many investigations after investigation? Ako talagang masama. I do not care if you are Obama o si Ban Ki-moon. Isa ka pa. You just don't reprimand me in public for something as serious as a problem. You know, when you begin to tinker with it, to si Obama, nitpicking, you are trivializing the problem. 4 million slaves thrown to slavery, drugs, and you trivialize the whole thing by just asking why there are about 1,000, 2,000. Pabutin mo na ng 50,000. I have a serious problem here. Why do you... Hindi na alam kung gaano kasama ng tama sa bayan yan.